YouTube, man. Today might be the day, man. If y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. Today might be the day we put the diff in the 345, man. We're gonna get my baby back right. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting some air in the tire, y'all, because the tow is on the way. So I gotta put some air in it, but my car is dead, so I can't use my electric pump right now because it's the USB-C. Not USB-C, but cigarette port. And it's not on right now. It has no battery, so just using a foot pump to just let it be easy to get up on its toe. I'm gonna help him by scooting it up, scooting the 345 up, pushing it to neutral so he can get it up there. And we're gonna be showing y'all boys the rebuild of the 345, man. So make sure y'all boys stay all the way to today, all the way to the end of today's video, man. I know I am starting it off on a weird note, like starting it off by fucking pumping it with my feet. But y'all, to get it up on its toe, I want to make sure it's easy to roll it up there with just two people. Even though I know they're going to have the hooks, you feel me? But I want to make it easier for him and not have a goddamn flat tire when I come back to my car anyway. So let's go ahead and put some air in this. Try. About to go ahead and jump it real quick. Get everything done, man. About to be on our road. Let's go ahead and see y'all. Shit has some power. Yep, dude got power off for it. Y'all ready? All right, y'all. All right, I'm gonna put it in neutral and then. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and try to roll it in neutral real quick. So I'm about to go ahead and start moving it. Let me get the car cover on the top. Now y'all hear that color. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and start moving this boy. Y'all, as y'all can see, he backing it up right now because this is too heavy to be able to move. So we about to go ahead and try to move it real quick. Look how low the 345 is. She ain't even low for real, y'all, but come on, you good. Drop down a little bit. Yup. Come up. 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 Yup, come on. Come on. Come on. Drop down a little bit. Yup. Now go all the way down. Yup. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah, I just have to get you past this corner. Yup, I see you. Yup. Yup. All right, y'all, so y'all can see now. Getting that boy up under there. About to go ahead and lift it up. The 345, we ain't had it in so long, y'all. About to put it in neutral real quick, y'all. Hold on. All right. The 345, y'all, like, oh my gosh. All right, y'all see the diff? We got the diff right here, man. So like I said, I'm gonna follow the 345, man. Cause look at my baby, like, oh my gosh. So that's the part where I gotta go ahead and climb in the back real quick. Y'all about to see how I gotta do this in the 345, man. Cause if you ain't no real street, you ain't no real street, man. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Ouch. That hurt it. Hold on, let me go ahead and let's go ahead and take out this fuel relay. You ready? Now look at the 345. Take that out. Listen to her. Listen to her. She about to start throwing up. She about to start throwing up. What I tell y'all. All right, so now We good. Now we can go ahead and put it in park, y'all. Let me put it in park real quick. Keep the fuel relay in my pocket. I just messed up my scab once again, too. 5, y'all. Look at the paint. Look at the paint, y'all. All of this paint damage on the 345 is crazy, y'all. We really got to get a new paint job. I even just did this in the video. Like, I just did this, y'all. All of this. So, we're going to be getting it all buffed out. Y'all, we is on the E-way, man. Y'all, this is going to be a good video, man. I hope y'all boys ready for the pop-out for the 345, y'all. It's been a long month. I tried to give y'all boys as good as possible videos to not bore y'all boys out, man, but today is the day the diff get put in the 345, man. A good day today, y'all. Nice and sunny day. We're gonna be sliding that motherfucker when it come back. Look at the 345, strike this motherfucker. Whose shit is this? That motherfucker looking stupid. That motherfucker. Yeah.
Again, baby. CB, yeah. Ride around the city, 31 liter with me. These niggas like police dogs, nose in my business. I know a nigga hustle harder than he one leg.
Yeah, man, we finally made it to the shop.
Yeah. It's not sway bar.
Stabilizer.
Let me show y'all boys what he said he was working with, man. So he said he gonna put a cat in this Magnum right here, man. Cat swap this Maggie right here. But we about to go ahead and get the 345 up in here and get some stuff done, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started, man. All right, y'all. Let me come up here and help him out real quick. But yeah, man. I should move the whip, y'all. I got the whip all in the wrong spot and stuff, but he said he gonna get to it tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything said and done tomorrow and stuff, y'all. But it's gonna be nice and cool, you feel me? Bar?
That ain't me. I'm like, you can do it this way. They're like, yeah. I said, all right, this is the safest way.
Man, that looks scary though. I ain't gonna lie. Ever just missing?
I wasn't expecting it to throw me like that, bro. Like,
Yeah.
the fuck out.
I need a detail, y'all, real bad. We gonna get it raw said and done when we get it back, man. But this is gonna be a cool little video, man. Like, look at the tires, the back end. Like, I got glue residue. I got so much paint defects on my car too, y'all. Like, the paint, I need a whole new paint job, y'all. Whole new paint job. Like, look at that. More paint chips right there. I didn't even realize. It is going, y'all. The 345 is right here. Battery is dead, of course. Again, let me go ahead and walk over this way real quick, y'all. How's it going? Doing all right.
It's good. It's real nice.
Everybody. So yeah, he about to be right back. I'm gonna just go ahead and chill real quick, y'all. But he working on a Maggie. Y'all see he got the dash and the harness and stuff right here. It's gonna be nice, y'all. What? I guess they have a debate or something, but that's what he got working with, man. I ain't gonna lie, he did a good paint job on this, y'all. Like, I might go ahead and see what they talking about on the paint, cause this a good job, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, like, good paint job, like real good paint job. You feel me? But so we got the 345ers here, man. My baby looks so sad over here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, like. Fuck, 345, man, and the paint all messed up and stuff, y'all, even the hood. But hey, man, we need to get that all buffed out. About to go make our way to AutoZone real quick and go grab the diff fluid so we can have everything that they need, and so we can just make this install nice and easy for them, y'all. So let me go ahead and get that started. We is gonna hurry up and get the fuck up out this shop though, y'all. I want to make this shit as fast as possible because they in there building a They in there building a Hellcat Magnum swap. Where the fuck y'all get a Hellcat from? Y'all know most of the times. If you know, you know. You feel me? I ain't gonna say too much because I don't know for the real, but y'all know, man, how that should be. We about to go here, get the diff fluid, and then hurry up and make our way back so I can watch my goddamn car. Babysitter real quick, y'all. And then I'm pray that the 345 on your fucking that I get my car back in one piece as is, how it is right now. So let me hurry up before the other set of motherfuckers get back, because I don't know what they left to go grab. Hopefully they didn't go grab their parts, their tools, you feel me? They don't strike the 345. But yeah, man, we gonna hurry up and, you feel me, get to auto zone. So I'm gonna pick up the camera once we arrive to auto zone. Teleportation. I'm about to teleport in 3, 2, 1. Bad teleportation. Hold on, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. We teleported to the spot, y'all. And y'all see, say 2 for 36. Instead of 50. So he's saving some money on us, y'all. I believe this is the one we need. Let me go ahead and check it one more time. All right, and we green. You open right now? Yeah. US. This time.
Cash or
Card. Yeah, y'all, we about to be back, man. This is what we needed. You feel me? We needed 2 of them because he was 1.5.
You got a number with us?
Yeah. All right, man. You feel me? We finna be back, y'all. We is finna be back.
It's gonna be $39.96.
$39.96.
Yep.
All right. So we just grabbed that kit. Now we're gonna head back to our destination. Go get the 345 back right, man. This, unfortunately, it's not one of the shops where you can see the install, unfortunately. So we will be having to pick back up the camera tomorrow when the car is actually done. So we're picking up the car and stuff tomorrow, y'all. I pray that they didn't fuck with my shit, Joy, because like I said, I don't know. Y'all know how y'all got a gut feeling about some certain places, y'all. And yeah, so we're gonna just pray that the 345 cool, y'all. And we're gonna see y'all boys tomorrow, man. Back up at the shop. They couldn't get the 345 to cut on yesterday. We better go ahead and see what we're working with real quick. And then they said the window was not going back up. We about to see. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and feel me. Grabbing this jump box form real quick, y'all. About to try to get the 345 cut on. We were supposed to get it up in here last night, but they ended up being not to because of not being able to move it, like I said. Oh, you right there. But let's go ahead, get my baby on because we want her back on the road, y'all. We might be able to get her done today. YouTube, as y'all boys can see, man, we is inside the car, man, in the daily dude. We is on our way to go pick up the 345, man. We're gonna pray that nothing is messed up on it and anything, man. We're gonna just pray that the car is good and running like how it's supposed to be, man. But we about to go head there with Dukes, man. So let's go ahead and head to our destination. I'm gonna pick up the camera once we finally make it, man. All right, YouTube, I hear my car on right now. Listen. Uh-oh. Yo. What's up, what's up? Yeah. Let's go ahead and see real quick, y'all. So as y'all can see, man, 345 is back on. Let me go ahead and show y'all boys the inside real quick, man. But yeah, it's been running for at least a half hour already. A half hour.
And the
radio over there never cut back on. It flashes but never cut back on. That, like this right here.
Yeah.
It flashed but never came back on.
All right, there we go. YouTube.
I had to get in here real quick.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on, y'all. Let me see real quick. See if it go back. Oh, there we go. Go for it. Yep. Oh, you got the key for it?
Yeah, I'm about to ask June right now.
Yeah. Drew, you got the key for that?
Nah, I don't know.
Try starting it back up, make sure it starts.
Oh yeah, I know it well.
Okay, here goes the, see?
Yeah, and then it turned back off.
Yeah. The battery says it's at 14.5, you know, but it,
Yeah.
I'm not understanding. It, maybe because the battery is probably too dead. So this the old diff right here, man. Look how bad it is. Oh my gosh. It blew the whole case. And that's all. Oh, that was the 308 open, y'all. I thought it was the 262 open diff. I had the 308 open diff. And then that's the box right here. Look who's back. Look who's back. The 345. The 345. The 35. Y'all boys ready for the first pull, man? I'm gonna give y'all boys a nice pull and then I'm gonna end the video off. I'm not gonna give y'all a good POV because I'm gonna make y'all boys wait till next video and because I got a slow leak in that tire. But I hope y'all boys enjoy today's video, man.